Watch till the end because I'm going to wear this for 12 hours. As you see, I'm glowing. My foundation bottle broke, which was of glass, so I do not prefer a glass foundation bottle. Is my hair proper? Hi guys, welcome to this video. Thank you so much for dropping on this video, and don't even ask about my hair situation because they're behaving so well today that I'm not able to maintain it. Because you'll see it further, I tied a ponytail here, like little small thing, and this is what I did. And yeah, and here it's all straight, my natural hair. So today is 31st. Wow. Let's not even begin how our 2020 was like. So let's talk that in some other video because I have to like really hurry up because as I said that I'll leave real quick. So now it is like about 3 o'clock in the afternoon, 31st December 2020. I'm wearing this Huda Beauty foundation. Here it is. So I'm wearing this Huda Beauty foundation. So for the review of this, watch till the end because I'm going to wear this for 12 hours. Yes guys, you heard it very right. I'm going to wear this for 12 hours. Don't worry, we're not going to any party. We're just going out, and I'll be keeping a check on this foundation, how it goes, because we'll be wearing masks. Happened. You'll see further in the video, so you have to see the video. So this boy comes in this package, which looks like this. I hope I'm holding it correct. Okay, which looks like this. Even this box feels solid. You guys, it's 35 ml. I'm gonna compare MAC bottle and you'll see how big this is because this is obviously 35 ml and the MAC one is 30 ml. So I'm back. So this is 35 ml, NC25, NC45, NC35. Alright, so let's open NC35. So if you have this bottle, so you'll understand how big this is. Hold on. If you have this bottle, this is Maybelline Matte Plus Poreless, which you get for under 500 rupees. 30 ml. 30 ml. This is MAC Studio Fix. This is 30 ml. This is 35 ml. As you see, the Huda Beauty package, the Huda Beauty bottle is big. Escalada, which is, this is 15 and this is 35. So Estee Lauder is 15, this is 35. I hope I do not drop this. This is 30. Very plus point about this bottle is, I've heard people saying that it's the bottle should be glass and you don't need a glass bottle. This glass bottle, it's gonna break. I broke my foundation glass bottle. And let me tell you, it's very painful when you see a broken foundation bottle. Thank God that this does not come in glass bottle as this. It's gonna break. If I drop it right now, it's gonna break and it's all gonna be over. Like, you cannot even use this. This is gonna break. This is even solid. This feels actually solid, but I think this is gonna break because this is kind of thin. I broke mine, that's what I'm saying. And thank God this is plastic. And I don't mind the packaging, the bottle. Look at the cap, it opens so smoothly. Wow. It's square and it's round. this is how it looks with a pump. Having the pump in your foundation bottle makes your life so easy. Just place it aram se, no problem. Even if you drop this, it's not gonna break because it's not glass. And thank God you are not gonna lose these. A beauty, perfect, 10 on 10. Packaging, 10 on 10. Alright, so if you think that this foundation is gonna dry up your skin, so please watch this video, how to not make your skin dry. As you see, I'm glowing. Alright guys, so before I get up from this place, I still have to get ready. Not forget to subscribe to this channel because lots and lots of more stuff coming up, and also a vlog coming up. And as I said, that I'm going to be testing this Huda Beauty Faux Filter Foundation for 12 hours. Alright, so here I'm using the Innisfree Super Volcanic Pore Clay Mask, which is going to close my pores. So guys, before doing this step, I actually pulled out my whiteheads, which I have on the T-zone. Thankfully not getting that much as before because I've been using this particular mask. I at least use this once a month. It's been more than 10 minutes and I'm taking this mask off by dipping the cotton cloth in warm water and just wiping very gently. So after taking off the mask, I have to apply the toner, which is the Innisfree JJ Volcanic Pore Toner, which smells so good. And don't worry, it's not that strong, but it does has a fragrance, which I like. I don't mind. This is another great product from Biotic Bio Seaweed Revitalizing Anti-Fatigue Eye Gel. This is an amazing product. This also can give you best results. This is also at a very affordable price. So if you want any eye gel, eye cream, you can always buy this. This is a very nice product. And the next product we have is this product. As you can see, I'm like very nicely and very happy to use this product on my face and lips as well. Can you guess? Please comment down below if you already know what this product is, because I'm not mentioning it here. Because we all know what this product is. We have at least used this once in our lifetime, and it is such a good product for the winter. It's very thick, very thick consistency, and it's especially for the winters. Ooh la la, looking soft. Alright, so it's winter time, so I thought, why not light up a candle? Next step, I'm using the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum for the extra hydration on my cheeks. We are really prepping the skin well because we are going to be wearing a matte foundation which is full coverage. So we need that. Another great product from Becca is the Put a Glow on It. You get all these products in one box, which is the primer filter, the blur primer, and the moonstone highlighter. I got these products from Nykaa when there was pink sale going on. This is Becca's Skin Love Brighten and Blur Primer, which instantly blurs the pores that I have. I do have open pores, and this works great with blurring out the pores. I'm applying this blurring primer where I have open pores in the inner points of my face, where I'm applying right now. As you can see, it helps to make the foundation go smooth and flawless. Once you're done doing your eyebrows, you take a small brush like this or any eyeshadow brush which is clean, and you set it with translucent powder, which helps not to move the eyebrows which you have done. It helps not to move, smudge the eyebrow, and it sticks at one place. Finally, opening up the Huda Beauty Faux Filter Matte Foundation, which is full coverage in the shade Toasted Coconut 240N. So here I took two big full pumps of Huda Beauty foundation, poured it on my hands, and then applying all over my face and neck, and still it was remaining. So 2 pumps are more than enough for your face and neck because it's full coverage, and that does not mean that it is heavy or anything. It feels light on your skin. It does not feel heavy at all, but it also gives you full coverage. And I'm also not using any concealer. I'm using foundation as my concealer. For those who have dry combination skin like me, I'm using a kabuki brush instead of beauty blender, because beauty blender is gonna kind of dry up the skin or dry up the foundation, but I'm using a kabuki brush which is also gonna give you that glowiness. I'm going to stipple with the foundation brush really well. I'm going to spread it all over my face and forehead, around nose, neck, and stipple. Just kind of press at a point and not swipe. This way it helps to give the flawless finish and blend it really well. It's also important to set the foundation with a translucent powder, loose powder, or setting powder, whatever you want to call it. Another plus point about the Huda Beauty foundation is it does not smell like chemical. It does not smell anything like chemical. I have a foundation brand which has a smell like chemical thing, and that is a MAC. Yes, it does smell like chemical every time I use it, but I'm really impressed that the Huda Beauty does not smell anything like that, and it's good. Never make promises, 'cause I don't keep them, 'cause I don't keep them, 'cause I don't keep them, 'cause I don't keep them. I'm using the Becca Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder. I'm not using too heavy. I'm very lightly going on and setting it out. This black color brush is from Pony Store. I was not actually satisfied with using that, so that's why I went ahead and used my color bar, which is synthetic brush, the pink one, which you see right now. And I'm setting with it too. And I'm following that with contouring my face, which is going to give the definition and dimension to my face. That's my favorite thing, is to contour my face. There's part 2 for this video, guys, because this is only a tutorial, and the next video which is going to come is of the actual review. And you can also see a vlog on the 31st December where we went out. We just went around for dinner and in Kolkata. And okay, back to the instructions. So I'm using this Estee Lauder Set and Refreshing Perfecting Makeup Mist, which is the setting spray. I'm wearing this setting spray for the first time out. Next, of course, is a highlighter. I'm using the Becca highlighter, which is in the shade Moonstone. This highlighter gives glass finish. It's not like blinding you away. It does not do that. It just gives a shine and glass finish, if you know what I mean. I'm wearing this on my high points of my face. I actually couldn't stop myself from using this Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter, which is so good. Blinding golden finish. I absolutely love wearing it. I'm also trying this Estee Lauder lip samples which I received, and here was my struggle to first how to pull out the package, and then I ended up poking with the needle, and then I realized you open it like this, and here is finally I made a way to wear it. Because here the thing was that you do not want to waste even 1.1 gram of any makeup, so I was very conscious. There's part 2 for this video where you're going to see the actual final review of the products which lasted long and which did not. So please go watch the next video. Thank you so much for sticking till the end, you guys. Thank you so much, and a very, very happy new year to you guys. Thank you. Bye.